Y'all ready for this? Because I don't think y'all ready for this. But I'm going to go ahead and do it because y'all know what's about to come. 3, 2, 1. What's up? Yes, honey. So, today is the day that these is coming out. So this is gonna be a review on my time with Passion Twist, how I feel about them, the pros and cons. Hold up, I need a little more light in here. Hold up. Oh. So the pros and cons, like everything. This is just gonna be a really good review. Okay. So as y'all can see, I have my little headband on because I have like pieces of my real hair that's sticking out. 2 of my twists then came out because of my hair texture, because they was in there pretty good. Just my hair texture cannot, I guess, grasp this hair texture. We finna take these out. It's about that time. I'm really proud of myself because I never keep these in for more than like a week. Like, no protective styles I can keep in longer than like a week. Honestly, a week is like my okay, I'm done, can't do this no more point. But I kept these in for a solid like 2 weeks, and I know that doesn't sound like a long time, but I'm actually really proud of myself. So to start taking these out, because they do like get tangled up in each other. I don't even know if y'all can see that, but they're like really tangled up in each other. Like, it's like pieces of hair intertwined into other twists. Like, it's just a lot going on. I also have a lot of buildup. I don't know if y'all can tell. My hair is really itchy, even though I did do multiple oil treatments while it was in its protective style. My hair is still really itchy. So yeah, it was just time for them to come out. So they're coming out, okay? First things first, let me take it out of the hair tie that it's in. Ooh. So these are what my twists look like. Oh, it's dust and stuff flying. Ugh. But yeah, like, I don't even know if y'all can see, but I got like flakes and stuff in here. And these twists mainly in the back. Oh, you can see where this one came out, and I didn't care. I just put it in a ponytail. You can see my hair is coming out of this one. Like, this one right here is coming out. You can see my real hair right here, right there. So it's just time for this to slide. And you see, it'll just slide right out. Because my hair texture is so, like I said in previous videos, my hair texture is very fine. So it'll just come right out. As far as reviewing Passion Twist, I like the style. I definitely like the style. However, you have to measure all factors. And I feel like Passion Twists are good for a certain hair texture. Like, my hair texture, I have like 3C, 4A hair, I want to say. So my curl pattern isn't like extra loose and it's not extra tight. It's just, I don't know. I can't really describe my curl pattern. I'm gonna cut them to make them a little bit easier to take out. This process may take a while. Passion Twists are a great protective style. I will say that they're very pretty, and most people are attracted to this style because of the fact that it curls up and it looks closer to natural twist than any other protective style. However, for my hair, it was really like blending my real hair with this and making sure it doesn't, you know, like poke out like it's been doing, like this right here. My real hair will like poke out. I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, you can see that. My real hair pokes out. So for my hair, it was the blending, and it was like once I entered humidity, the frizz was like crazy, honestly. I did get a lot of buildup because I redid some of my twists just because I was trying to teach myself how to do them. And the buildup, I got a lot of. My parts were really big, and I liked my big parts. But if you want like a fuller look with Passion Twist, I would most definitely do smaller parts. I wasn't really going for a fuller look because I like the natural, like messy type of big chunks type of look. I don't know why. But But y'all see this, like this buildup? It looks like dandruff, but it's not. It's a buildup of like gel and edge control. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like sprinkling out and everything. So I'm gonna take a big like chunk of hair and I'm gonna just cut. Okay. Oh Jesus. If it'll even cut, there it goes. Another thing I would say about passion twist is definitely if you have my texture hair and you're getting passion twist, I would definitely recommend the rubber band method with the crochet needle, because then it would probably stay in a little longer. So how I take mine out is, for most of them I clip the bottom. The ones that were already loose, I didn't have to cut the bottom of it. So for the ones that are already like loose, I just kind of twist the opposite direction, if that makes sense. So how they're twisting this way, I just twist them reverse and keep twisting until it's all the way at the root, and then it'll just come out by itself, just like that. Like this one is kind of tightly coiled at the bottom. If y'all can see that, it's tightly coiled at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is take the scissors and cut it to about right here. Y'all can see that? Snip. And it'll make it a little easier to get the twist out. They're really fuzzy and they have like other pieces of other twists like intertwined inside of them. So I am trying to be aggressive, but not too aggressive. So I'm aggressive until I get to the section where my real hair is, and then I kind of lighten up. Now I've seen so many like different ways that people do passion twist or can do passion twist. Some people just do the regular twisting method, just like you do regular twist. Some people do the rubber band method, and then some people will braid at the root and then go down. Some of them I did try braiding at the root, and those did actually last longer than the ones in my hair that are just the regular braiding method. And the regular braiding method, the regular twisting method, excuse me, the regular twisting method is the method that actually stayed the longest, because the ones with the rubber band, I noticed my rubber bands popped or my rubber bands came out, which we don't want. With my passion twist, I used about, since I did like really chunky sections and I wasn't going for a full look, I used about 5 or 6 packs because mine are a little thicker. They're medium rather than small. If you guys are gonna do the small ones, then I definitely recommend about 11 packs of hair, depending on your section sizes. Okay, you guys, so my hair is finally free and out of the passion twist. Like I said, overall for this style, I really like this style. However, I just felt like my hair needed a break from that style, and it was just time to set it free, definitely, because I had so much buildup from it with the gels I used and the edge control to keep it in place. It took a lot of edge control for my hair to blend with it. So yeah, it was a lot, okay? It was a lot. I will definitely get this style again though. I will. It's gonna be like sometime in the future when I just need another protective style, another break from my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this review. Give it a thumbs up if it was helpful for you taking down your passion twist or even making a decision of whether you wanted to get them or not. My experience was pretty okay. I wish it would have lasted a little bit longer, but it's because of my hair texture really. So next time I know when I get them done to definitely do the rubber band method for them, okay? I'm signing out. If you guys want to see my wash process after I've had a protective style, go ahead and tune into my next video. And I'm gonna see y'all later. Bye.